Press Home to go to the home screen. Swipe on the touchpad to move through the menu. And swipe and hold to keep moving until you let go. To select, press anywhere on the touchpad. Use the area above the touchpad to rewind, pause, fast forward, and play. To fast forward or rewind more quickly, swipe and hold, then release. Or tap more quickly and press play. Press Search to quickly find shows and movies. You will now also be able to use voice control to browse and find TV shows, move through recordings, open apps, and more by simply pressing and holding the voice button and speaking into the microphone located below the Sky button. The Sky button takes you to your recordings, and pressing the Sidebar button takes you to TV apps.